sine, cosine, and tangent on Math Visions. If you look at our table, you'll see that sine is the leg opposite the angle divided by the hypotenuse. Cosine is the adjacent leg divided by the hypotenuse. And tangent is the leg opposite the angle divided by the leg adjacent to the angle in question. Many years ago in high school, I learned a memory trick that goes sine, cosine, tangent. Oscar had a hold on Arthur. These functions only work for the acute angles in a right triangle. They don't work for the right angle. Now, we have a triangle with a 40-degree angle opposite a line measuring 9 units. Since we know the measurement of a line opposite our angle, we'll use the functions involving opposite in order to calculate the hypotenuse, h, and the other leg, L, of our triangle. We'll start with sine, the function that includes opposite and hypotenuse. Let's write the algebraic equation sine 40 equals 9, our opposite side, divided by h, our hypotenuse. Our next objective is to get h on one side of the equal sign by itself. Since our fraction has a number on top, we can switch the places of h and sine 40, and our new equation reads as h equals 9 divided by sine 40. Now sine 40 is 6,428 10,000ths rounded to the fourth digit, so the hypotenuse is approximately 9 divided by 0.6428, which works out to about 14. Now for tangent, the function that includes opposite and adjacent. We write a new algebraic equation, tangent 40 equals 9 divided by the adjacent leg, L. What is our objective? If you said to get L on one side by itself, that's correct. Again, since the number is on top of our fraction, we can swap the places of tangent 40 and L and skip the steps of multiplying and dividing both sides by the same value. So L equals 9 divided by tangent 40, which gives a length of 10 73/100ths rounded to the nearest 2 digits. What if we have a fraction with a number? On the bottom, we have a triangle with a 26-degree angle and a hypotenuse 6 units long. Let's solve for the leg N that's opposite our angle. Since we know our hypotenuse and we're solving for the opposite leg, we look for the function that includes these terms, which is sine. We now write sine 26 equals N divided by 6. Since the number is on the bottom this time, we can rewrite our equation as N equals 6 times sine 26. Sine 26 is 4,384 10,000ths rounded to the fourth digit. Therefore, N is approximately this amount times 6, or about 2.63 units. Before I go, I wanted to leave you with the math we skipped over, just in case you need to show your work to your teacher. Well, that's a wrap for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my knowledge building exercises, link below in the description. I look forward to meeting with you right here next time on Math Visions.